Hello, wave to Father, to all our fathers here. Thank you po. Good, good. Excuse me, paalaala lang ha, pag mag-wave, huwag kong ganyan. Kasi kung ganyan, kita bilbil yan. Hmm? Paano po mag-wave? Ganito lang po. Hi, yeah. Ano pong lesson yan? What's the most simple lesson? You know, you're not at peace kasi ikaw patay ka, pabongga, pasikat, payabang, paimportante. My God, you'll never have peace. Mas maganda po yung mapakumbaba. Simple lang. Mama Mary's way. Take the road of humility and you'll have peace. Kahit ano pang sabihin ng mga tao, magkandara pa sila, whatever, you're at peace because you are with God. I like you now to experience that peace.